Comets. Some see them as stars or alien ships. Learn with me on what comets really are. Comets are frozen leftovers from the formation of the solar system, composed of dust, rock, and ices. They range from a few miles to tens of miles wide. But as they orbit closer to the sun, they heat up and spew gases and dust into a glowing head that can be larger than a planet. Comets are important to the scientists because they are primitive bodies left over from the formation of the solar system. Sometimes comets are referred to as dirty snowballs or cosmic snowballs because they are composed mostly of ice, rock, gas, and dust. Comets orbit the sun in elliptical paths, just like planets do. And a comet has 4 components: a nucleus, a coma, a tail, and an ion tail or plasma tail. The nucleus of a comet contains the vast majority of its total mass. The most famous comet is Halley's Comet. It has been observed since at least 240 BC. It was named after the British astronomer Edmund Halley. Scientists have so far discovered over 3,000 comets. And a great comet is one which is bright enough to be visible from Earth without the need for a telescope. Approximately 1 great comet happens every 10 years. Most comets are no larger than a few kilometers across. 2.5 kilometers is equal to about 1.5 miles. For us, that seems big, but in our solar system, that's rather small. The closest point in a comet's orbit to the sun is called perihelion. The most distant point is called aphelion. Today's big important point and fact is that comets might have brought life and water to Earth. An amino acid was detected from a sample taken from a comet named Wild 2 by NASA space probe in 2009. This amino acid, an essential building block of life, suggests that comets could be conveyors of some form of life. In a recent study, it was suggested that several comet collisions might have brought about 22 trillion pounds of organic material to Earth, alongside provision for energy for the synthesis of more complex molecules from these starting materials. Again, a team of scientists in 2011 discovered that the chemical composition for water inside a comet is similar to the water inside Earth's oceans, which suggests that comets might have brought water to Earth some billions of years ago. Thank you so much for watching my video on comets and how they affect the solar system. They have so many interesting facts about them, and they're way deeper than just the pretty light that lights up the solar system. I hope you enjoyed and have a great rest of your day. This video is brought to you by Joel Almadani Productions.